Welcome to the TimeLock Documentation Pressure Test app, the easiest way to securely document your mechanical, plumbing, or refrigeration pressure tests. The first time you use the app, you'll need to create a project. Tap Projects on the main screen, then tap New Project. Give your project a name, then tap Create. Now, tap the project folder you just created. The next step is to add a gauge or equipment location. Tap New Location, then type in the name of the location. Now you're ready to add a certification to the location. Tap the location you just created, then tap to add a new certification. Fill in the details and be sure to specify a system type for the inspection. Then choose a certification type at the bottom of the screen: Mechanical, Plumbing, Process, Uniform Mechanical Code, Uniform Plumbing Code, International Mechanical Code, or International Plumbing Code. To insert the code requirements into the record, scroll down and tap Code Requirements. Use the arrow at the top to open the relevant section of the code book if you need to review or show the inspector or administrative authority. Or just scroll to and tap the service type, and the code you need will insert instantly. Once the system is pressurized, tap a photo icon to document the reading. Your photo will be watermarked with a time, date, and GPS stamp. And you can also set the ambient temperature in the upper right-hand corner. These readings are locked into the document so that it can't be edited. Add up to 16 additional photos as needed to create a record of the installation and warranty numbers. You can zoom in on them to confirm that the readings are clearly documented. To finish passing an inspection, use the comment box to add details like system pressure or the duration of the test. Then tap the Passed toggle. To record a failed inspection, leave the toggle in the default position. Tap Sign and Email to review your results, then add your signature right on the screen. Be sure to record the name and title of the installer and inspectors as you attach their signatures to the record. Tap to add additional signatures if necessary. Finally, you'll submit the results using the @ sign at the top right. The app will generate an email for your certification. Just add a subject line, enter the email addresses of the relevant parties, including yourself, and tap Send. The app stores all completed certificates in the Emailed Certificate section on the home page. If you're doing a number of inspections in a row, you can open an existing form from the Projects folder and duplicate it by tapping Edit at the bottom of the page. Note that photos will not be duplicated. With the TimeLock Docs Pressure Test app, you can create professional, secure certifications in minutes without digging through code books or spec sheets. For more support, documentation, and more information about the Pressure Test app, visit TimeLockDocs.com.